Hi, today we're going to be making hand soap bubbles. So what you need is a bowl of water or any other container that you could fit your whole hand in. And you have to put 4 to 6 drops of soap. I like to use this softsoap brand, and so you put it in the bowl, and then you make a shape like this, and you put it in the bowl. You dip it in the bowl, and then you'll see a type of layer here that looks like it's moving. That's what you want. So you dip it inside, make sure your hands are wet, it'll work better that way, and you blow very slightly on top of this hand. You have to curve it a little. And then you have to close it up and then let go. That's how you see it, like close it and then let go. And you have a bubble in your hand. And then after that, what you could do with it is you could put your finger inside like this, and you could switch it from hand to hand. And sometimes you'll have it in the other hand again too. You could keep on doing that, and it's a fun thing to do. And sometimes it pops. This is a fun thing to do with soap and water. So bye.